This is the 2019 Range Rover Sport Dynamic. This particular one has the black pack where all of the exterior trim has been kind of blacked out, the lettering, some of the parts on the front bumper as well. We've got the front parking sensor, front fog lights. The headlights are LED with the LED daytime running lights as well. The wheels on this 2019 Range Rover Sport are an upgrade. These are blacked out as well. And continuing on with the black pack, you can see this piece of trim is also blacked out as well. At the back of the 2019 Range Rover Sport Dynamic, you can also see more of the trim here is blacked out as well. The taillights, they are LED. They also have the black surround as part of that package. We've got the rear parking sensors, backup camera, as well as the backup camera cleaner, which is kind of a unique feature. It allows you to clean the camera off from inside the cabin in the driver's seat without even exiting the vehicle. One of the last things is the gesture tailgate, which you can open and close by kicking your leg kind of under the bumper. From the back, we've also got the air suspension adjustment. If you need to raise or lower the vehicle, you can do it at the press of a button. Inside the front seats of the 2019 Range Rover Sport Dynamic, we've got a pretty cool feature up under the armrest. We've got a refrigerator. It's got two cooling levels. The second one is definitely the coldest. Two USB ports, 12-volt outlet. We've got the two glove boxes. Plenty of space, plenty of storage. The dual screens, the top one, you're able to adjust the angle on it as well. So if you're getting a little bit of a glare, you're able to kind of get it to what works best for you. This car also is equipped with a full digital driver gauge display, a heads-up display. The side mirrors, the rear view mirror, they're self-dimming. And we've got a gesture sunshade blind that opens and closes with a sweep of your hand. A few of the things that make it feel much larger in the back seat is the large panoramic sunroof, as well as the ability to kind of adjust and recline the rear seats to your preferred comfort level.